Moving on, and now developments coming in from the domestic front, where the appeal that had been filed by the Tamil Nadu state against the handing over of Lavanya case probe to the CBI is now going to be heard by the Supreme Court tomorrow. The state had challenged the transfer of investigation to CBI by the Madras High Court. For more details on this development, we are now joined by my colleague Harish Nair. Harish, over to you.
Yes, good morning, Priya. A two-judge bench of the Supreme Court of Justices Sanjiv, Khanna and Bela and Trivedi will tomorrow hear the appeal filed by Tamil Nadu government challenging the Madras High Court Madurai bench order transferring the probe into the death of 17-year-old Lavanya to the CBI. Remember, there were allegations that the girl was forced to take the extreme step owing to pressure from her school to convert to Christianity. And Madras High Court, remember, had observed that right from the stage of lodging of FIR, the Superintendent of Police wanted to silence any discussion regarding the conversion angle. High Court had also criticized the press statement of the SP ruling out conversion angle and said the official had jumped to a conclusion. And coming to the grounds in the state appeal, the state has said that the DGP said in the in-depth investigation was being carried out into all angles and it was proceeding in the right direction and right earnest, and mere statement by a minister and a SP can't be a ground to transfer the probe to CBI, and High Court's order in fact amounted to interference with the probe. And the state also said that case was being politicized and communalized by certain vested interests, and maintained that the investigation was going on in the right track, and also said that the Immaculate Heart of Mary Society, constituted by the Roman Catholic Congregation of Order, the school management which intervened in this case, had dismissed all conversion angles. And so tomorrow we'll have to all eyes on the Supreme Court whether it will issue a notice to the father of the girl in the appeal which has been filed by state challenging the transfer of probe to CBI.
Right, and the Madras High Court had also said in their observations that it looked like the state was more interested in subversion instead of focusing on who was behind the crime and what were the reasons why this girl had to take her own life. They were trying to put the parents in the dock. We will keep tracking all the developments. Thank you, Harish, for joining us with your input.